Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the storage location of your videos in CapCut PC. So to change your project location, go to homepage first, and then you'll need to go to settings here, and here's where you can change where you download the files to and save your files to, as well as presets here. Just select the folder and press save. If you want to change where your videos are exported to, go to the export section first and then here select the folder. That is pretty much how you can change the storage locations on either exported videos or projects, presets, and stuff like that. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. I know it was super short, but that is it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.